In this video, we will look at the basics of sales organization in the SAP system. The sales organization is a central organizational unit in the SAP system and maps the structure for all sales activities of a company. It is responsible for selling products and services, setting prices and conditions, and processing customer orders. Each sales organization is always assigned to a company code and thus represents the legal entity responsible for sales and invoicing. In SAP, companies can create multiple sales organizations to flexibly map their sales structure. For example, different sales organizations can be set up for different regions, product lines, or business areas. Each sales organization has its own master data, pricing, and conditions, allowing companies to customize their sales processes. The sales organization is closely linked to other organizational units, including the distribution channel and the division. Together, these three units form the sales area, which plays an important role in many processes, such as order processing and invoicing. The sales organization is required for various processes in the SAP system. It forms the basis for customer master data maintenance, pricing, order processing, and evaluations and analyses. It is also relevant for legal responsibility. All invoices issued by a company are assigned to a sales organization. An example of the use of a sales organization is a company that serves both private and business customers. A separate sales organization is set up for private customers to manage special price lists and payment terms. A separate sales organization is used for business customers to take into account volume discounts and special delivery terms. In this way, the company can efficiently map different customer requirements. The sales organization is therefore the foundation for all sales processes in the SAP system. It creates a clear structure for sales, enables differentiation between markets and customers, and ensures transparency in the management of sales and sales success.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.